Hey y'all, Anson here over Ivy's Forge and Homestead. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how I break down pallets. You can see I have a small stack of pallets over here. We do have a few projects that we're going to do with breaking down pallets and using the pallet wood. By the time it's done, right, you'll get some nice boards out of it. This one has a couple knots in it that I'll have to cut out. But you get some good looking boards. You're going to have a little bit of tear out that you have to take care of, right? A little bit of tear out. But other than that, these aren't squared off. These are just roughly cut. Okay, so let's go check it out. So what I'm going to do, I have a battery operated, or if you have a circular saw, or you can even use a hand saw, right? I cut the smaller boards off the back first. So these nails, alright, so the nails that are in the pallet have like these little screw style, right? And this has glue on it. So whenever these go in, they're not meant to come out. They're really not. So they're really tough to get out. So that's why on these end boards, I just cut them. I don't even deal with it. Alright, so my blade's not the sharpest, so that's why you hear my saw bogging down. Okay, so from there, what I'll do is I'll take this board now and then I twist it. Alright, and then it allows me to get that. Sometimes you'll break this board, sometimes you won't. Out. Got to hold on to them so they're not falling in your yard for the kids to find them with their feet. Found it. Okay, and then I hold on to these because they're great nails. If you're building a project that you don't want to come apart very easily, reuse them. See, you get it out. They'll have just a little bit of tear out on the back, but still a great board. Alright, so that's that. Now from here, some of these will come right off because they're already broken. Sometimes you'll get ones that you can push up, push down. It still doesn't want to come out. So just come back in with your hammer. Get those to pop out. that's how I process the pallet. And look for some upcoming projects. So we have our exterior of the house in the backyard. It has a covered area over the porch, and it's all exposed, so you see all the nails and everything coming in from the roof. So we just want to cover that up. And then there's also a few other smaller projects that we're going to do inside. So if you're using pallet wood inside the house, make sure that it's not lumber that has been treated, right? So it's pretty good bet that if you find ones like this is just pine that is not colored, right? Sometimes they will use a clear. 9 times out of 10, pallets that have been treated for chemicals, for bugs, for anything like that, do have a color to them. If they don't, they normally have a stamp on them stating that they have some type of chemical treatment. Other than that, I know you can smell it. It smells like wood. All right, there's no. That's another good indicator. But I'm pretty pleased, so stick with us. Follow along. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. All right, you can go check us out on Instagram and Facebook, both at Ivy's Forge and Homestead. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, y'all. Bye.